In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a red blinking light on your Samsung television that won't turn on. So there's only really one method that we can use to fix this, and that's to come round to the back of the television and you need to locate the power cord that runs from your TV to the wall socket. Then all we're going to do here is unplug this from the power like so, and you'll need to leave this unplugged for 30 seconds. Whilst this is unplugged, we're also going to head round to the HDMI ports on your television and you need to disconnect any HDMI connections that are currently connected. So as you can see down here, I have this one HDMI connection, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove that. So once you've disconnected all of these HDMI cables, we're then going to head round to the front of the television and you need to locate the power button on your physical TV. Now on my particular model of Samsung, this is located right beneath the Samsung logo here, but this button can also be located on the sides of the TV or somewhere underneath the TV. So once you've found this power button, you simply need to hold it down for 10 seconds. And this will drain any residual power that might be left in the television. Then once we've done that, we can head back over to the power cord that runs to your TV, and we're just going to replug this back into the wall socket. Once you've replugged this back in, you can try turning on your television with the HDMI cables still unplugged. And then if your TV turns on without the HDMI cables attached, then you can go ahead and reattach the HDMI cables, and that should have now fixed any issues with the red blinking light on your TV not turning on. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.